Just arriving at the Yan Yean Reservoir, which is around about 57 kilometres north of Melbourne. Construction of this reservoir commenced in 1853 and was completed in 1857. So we'll start off at the southern end of the park. We'll just work our way northwards and have a look around. This is the overflow from the reservoir, obviously not running at the moment. I haven't had a lot of rain here recently, so I'm not too sure how high the reservoir is. We'll find out a bit later when we get up to the viewing area for the reservoir. This apparently is the old pump house. You've got some wetlands here, but I was hoping to maybe see a bit of bird life, but doesn't seem to be much around at the moment. So we shall move on. A couple of small ducks there in the middle of the pond. This is a view along the dam wall. Goes for quite some distance. And this is the other end of the wetlands where I was before. Not much bird life around, unfortunately. And this is a view along the top of the dam wall. Fantastic day here today, and a magnificent view of the reservoir. Just to finish things off, we'll have a look at the old caretaker's cottage.